The learning objective standards for this course earned a total of 13 out of 15 possible points. The learning objectives were clearly written with measurable outcomes that are consistent with the course level objectives or competencies. However, they were not stated clearly in that they are found clearly in the lesson plans, but they are not posted for the student to view. And that would benefit the student to know what the expectations are for them. Also, there was no relationship between the learning objectives and the competencies or the activities that were taking place. So we feel that if those were in place, that could help the reader or the learner focus their attention to what their goals are as a learner throughout the course. We also suggest that perhaps these lesson objectives are aligned with the ISTE standards so that they have a stronger focus for the digital experience and how they're improving as a digital learner. And again, the learning objectives or competencies are suited to the level of the course.